Nice to meet you all here for the second time. We are DZEDC and wish you all a happy Easter. Today we talk about our TOPD center column screws and how to make simple adjustments. The last video I briefly showed the three types of play we have released so far. Today I will talk in detail about the impact of structure on play and the screws. This is the first model of rotation. You can see that on the track we have set up two spaces that can provide regular rotation. And the second one is the enhanced click model after we cancel the rotation. So when it's pushed to the bottom, there is no way to complete the rotation action, and you can hear that its feedback is very strong. The third model and the first comparison, you will find that we shrink its rotation space and modify the center column so that it can be more in line with our design to upgrade the play. It has the same rotation function with the first generation of play, but the first doesn't have a way to complete the slide in the process of rotation. So you will see that our latest TOPD play will be much richer. It can freely complete the four directions of the slide, because we also designed the track on the outside of the plate so that it has a sense of feedback in each direction. Because the first and the second models don't have such a large openness, their screws will be less likely to loosen. The diversity of the third model action causes you to need to use tools like screw glue to help you fix the screws. The first way to reinforce the center column screws is to use raw material tape, which is usually used to prevent facet leaks. Only a small amount needs to be wrapped around the screw. And the second one is to use copper foil paper. I don't know if this is commonly used abroad. You can take out a small piece and cut it with a knife and put it in the screw like this. Set it into the bottom sticky. Tighten the screw, then remove the excess, and you are done. The third one is the screw glue, which will keep the screw completely in place. If you want to open it again, then take out part of it with something like a toothpick. Apply it to the bottom of the screw and finally tighten the screw and wait for it to set. These are about the screws fixed. I want to let you know the simple way. I hope I can help you. For how to simply go about adjusting the strength, We can see that TOPD had a 4-piece struct consisting of 2 parts, which you can see as the top and the bottom. The upper part is mainly the center column, so we just need to open the cry face to see the spring and the bore. After we remove the screws of the crying face part, place the TOPD on the table and take off the crying face part. You can clearly see the spring and the bore inside. And you can place the spring one forward and one backward like I did. So it will be less forceful than all the front. And it is still even. The original steel bore will be pulled out. Now you can put in different materials to test the feel of the bore. 5mm can be. This is a very convenient way to adjust your TOPD. As you can see, I did 2 bore changes very quickly, so we don't need to take it all apart to do this. Okay, finally, so hope this helps you today. Thank you so much.